What's up guys? I bet it's obvious what we're reviewing today. So this is the EZVIZ BC1 surveillance camera. If you want to know how it performs, keep on watching.
But before we start, this video is brought to you by Good Deals by KLGadgetTV, our official e-store where you can get all kinds of awesome gadgets. You can even enjoy 0% installment payment with IOU Pay when you use your credit or debit card for any products that is priced 100 ringgit and above. Visit the link below for more information. There are a lot of pros and cons to this camera, so let's just start with the pros first. The first good thing about this camera is that it's wire-free. So it has a 12,900 mAh battery that supposedly lasts you a whole year in a single charge, making it real easy to move and install the camera wherever you see fit. Speaking of installation, EZVIZ included two types of base, so you get a screw base and a magnet base. You can pick any one that fits, but I like the magnetic base more because it can be easily detached. But even without the base, you can just stick the camera to any magnetic surface.
Now before we go any further, this is a camera kit, so you're getting a base station and the camera itself. So the base station is supposed to provide steady internet connection and it can link up to 4 of these cameras. But more about the base station later.
The BC1 comes with an IP66 rating, so you can install it indoor or outdoor without a worry since it's well protected from water and dust. You can also choose between a micro SD card for up to 256GB of storage, or if you subscribe to Cloud Pay, which is basically the cloud service for the camera, you'll get unlimited storage. I am impressed by the number of features that are available because they all seem necessary for a good surveillance camera. So safety-wise, the BC1 has a 125 decibel siren, which is deafening. If I'm the thief and the alarm rang that loud, I'll teleport myself away in a split second. But I also like that this alarm is adjustable, so I can control how loud I want the alarm to be and how long I want it to ring. I can even activate and stop the alarm manually on the app. It's not just the alarms though. I can even customize voice alerts, so whenever there are visitors, I can automatically send greetings. If I want to scare my friends, I can even turn on this light flashing reminder feature, which flashes the camera lights at any human or animal the CCTV detects. I also like that the camera has both black and white night vision and color night vision. So the latter uses 2 built-in spotlights to help brighten up dark environments for a clearer picture. Personally, I prefer the one with colors because it feels less creepy to me. I can even zoom up to 8 times on the app if I detect unknown faces from afar. But one of the greatest features is the 24/7 recording for motion events. This is something you get with Cloud Pay, and what it does is instead of continuously recording, it will automatically start recording when it detects motion. But it's not just any motion, you can set it to specifically detect human motions or when there's an image change. So this means that even if someone wants to sneakily try to move the CCTV so it doesn't detect him, it will notice the image change and sound its siren. So for most of the safety aspects, this is a pretty great CCTV, but here are some of the things that I didn't quite like. Number 1, even though the CCTV promises a year of battery life in a single charge, it took me forever to get it to a full charge when I'm using it. So I've been using it while it's connected to the power source for 3 days and yet it was stuck at 20%. But the problem was solved once I let it charge without using it at the same time. Also, despite the brand promoting a 1080p resolution, the image quality isn't exactly clear. Perhaps it's a 2 megapixel sensor, but its overall quality during daytime should be better, especially for its price.
The audio quality is also disappointing. While you can hear what the other person is saying on the other end, the audio is very echoey and should be improved.
Now I mentioned the base station, which helps the camera to stay connected, but the catch is you have to connect it via a LAN cable to the router all the time. So I don't mind that there's no memory card in the box, but it would have been nice if they actually included a LAN cable. The setup was also slightly tedious to me, but that's because the unit I have is using China plugs, so I had to dig for universal adapters to connect these devices to the power source. I think the app UI can also be improved. So right now it's pretty simple design-wise, but the settings are all very spread out, so it prolongs the time for new users to get used to it and find for each settings. For 549 ringgit, the EZVIZ BC1 has more pros than cons and should be considered if you're looking for a CCTV that is feature-packed. However, if you want something better with better audio and visual, you can go for the more affordable TP-Link Tapo C200. It's a wired camera, but it also has great features and it costs below 200 ringgit. So that's it for our video today. Let us know what you think of this EZVIZ BC1 in the comment section down below. As usual, subscribe to our channel KLGadgetTV and I'll see you in the next one.